Computer Science, Madurai Kamaraj University. I welcome all the professors, scholars, and industrialists, those who are participating in the first international, the e-conference on the recent development in science, engineering, and information technology. That is a 3-day conference, 23rd to 25th September 2020. I welcome you all. First of all, I welcome our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. Professor M. Krishnan, for is here for delivering, is going to deliver the inaugural speech. I welcome you, Professor, and I welcome our most respected, the Registrar, Professor Dr. V. S. Vasanta of Madurai Kamaraj University. I welcome you, Madam, and I welcome our Professor Dr. M. Ramasamy, the Additional Controller of Examinations. I welcome you, sir, and I welcome our head of the department and is the convener as well as is conducting the 3-day international e-conference, Dr. V. Indrani, the head in charge, Department of Computer Science, the Directorate of Distance Education, Madurai Kamaraj University. I welcome you all, and I want to say a few words about this e-conference. Here, all the topics is very, very essential for in this scenario. There is an emerging current trends in computer communication and network technology. I welcome Professor Dr. D.H. Manjaya, Professor, the Department of Computer Science, Mangalore University, Karnataka. Welcome, sir. And I welcome Dr. Anant Nair from the University Nang, Vietnam. I welcome you, sir. He is going to present the title Industry 4.0, Transforming Traditional Industries to Smart Factories of Future. And I welcome Dr. A. Pandarasamy, the Berkeley Education Alliance for Research in Singapore. I welcome you, sir. He is going to, speak on the topic outlier detection in big time series. And I welcome Dr. Bhuvan Udalhal, Professor, University of South Florida. And I welcome you, Professor. And he is going to talk on, key considerations in the use of data for security analysis. And I welcome Dr. N. Durai Muthurasan from Zambia. And I welcome you, Professor. He is going to give a talk on recent trends in database. And I welcome Dr. S. Rajeshekaran, the Sultanate of Oman, IBRI College of Technology. I welcome you, Professor. He is going to invite a talk on role of data science in academic. And I want to say a few words about this topic. According to the National Education Policy 2020, they are very specific about actually they mentioned the world is undergoing the rapid changes in the knowledge of landscape. With the rise of big data, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, many unskilled jobs worldwide may be taken over by the machines, which the need for the skilled labor, particularly involving mathematics, computer science, and data science, and multidisciplinary courses across the sciences. So this topic is very, very, very significant regarding that, because in all disciplines, future is artificial intelligence and also the data science. So we all, the world, we are facing the problem we are underwent, that is due to the bio war. But the next war, it may be, we can expect in the data, related to the data. So the responsibility of the computer science They have to how to secure the data and how to manipulate the data, which is very useful for the society and research and all the developments, especially industry. I congratulate and I thank our Department of Computer Science taking a sincere effort to conducting this international e-conference. So I congratulate and appreciate the efforts taken by the Department of Computer Science, Dr. Indrani Madam, who organized all such a thing. So once again, I welcome you all for this e-conference. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. I just want to share a few words about the conference. The purpose of this conference is to bring together international scholars working in the field of computer science in the broadest sense of the word. We want to discuss the past, present, and the future of developments in technologies. We want to eliminate the process in designing, building, and using. We want to discuss the roles and networks of researchers, practitioners, and users within all cross-disciplinary frame of interpretation for various applications. We want also to stress and discuss various methodological approaches, alternating between fieldwork, archival studies, observation, and interviews. Drawing on current as well as past transformations, the working conference aimed to answer the following question. What about the field of computer science and its applications look like across different technology contexts? How do we understand past and emerging trends and their possible future, ease of use, and civilization impacts? How do we move closer to an understanding of transformation and constants in recent technical updates? And how do we understand changing relations between science, technology, and engineering? Finally, how do we describe and document upcoming trends in information technology, industry, and architectural process within cultural, educational, and social context? The 3-day conference program has been carefully structured to encourage mutual inspiration and fruitful debate among researchers, speakers, and in-depth discussions of presentations. We make new discussions through paper presentation of what we have seen and heard, how this might influence further research within the field. We will also maintain a methodological focus throughout the day with short presentation by participants. 6 keynote speakers have been chosen for the event, all exceptional and distinguished researchers at the forefront of their particular fields. The objective of this conference is to connect with junior and senior scholars working with recent developments in IT industry in almost all spheres of application. Participants will have the opportunity to exchange empirical functions as well as discuss theoretical and methodological perspectives for the analysis of the technological facts. Thank you. Thank you once again. To inaugurate the conference with all due respect, we have among us a person who has set high goals, striving for its attainment and thus inspiring everyone around him. Whether he intends or not, he leads by example. He is a person who has made success as his habit. He is none other than our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. M. Krishnan. We solicit our beloved and respected Vice Chancellor to deliver the inaugural address.
My dear and respected Professor Dr. Vasantha, Registrar in charge of Madurai Kamaraj University, Professor Dr. Vijay Durai, Director, Distance Education, Madurai Kamaraj University, my dear and respected Professor Dr. M. Ramasamy, Additional Controller of Examination in charge, Director of Distance Education, Madurai Kamaraj University, the Organizing Secretary, Dr. B. Indrani, Head Department of Computer Science, DDE, Madurai Kamaraj University, and experts from various countries, my dear research scholars, participants of this wonderful conference. Good morning to all and all. I am so happy to have a conference, international conference in the title, Recent Developments in Science, Engineering and Information Technology. That is a timely need, and also everybody is looking for this type of topic for discussion. Why? Because we are living in a very fast era. Because of the COVID or pandemic, we are all in that online program, not only the teaching and also that examinations. So in this situation, each and everybody should know that how that information technology is going to take a big role on online program. But at the same time, we all should come together to think about the future. Why? Because science, everybody knows that science is a field or platform for investigation, from basic research to higher research. They want to investigate something, or they want to go for the research to identify the lacuna or to identify the need of the people, and then they are doing research and identify something. But what the research, engineering and technology people are doing, the small scale what identified by the scientists, it's going to magnify, and then it's going to be useful for the public. Before it's going for the public, the information technology come together by analyze the data or findings or output coming out from the science and engineering technology, and it's going to the public. For example, today all you are seeing that insulin, diabetic patient. This example I can take it, why? Because 1 out of 8 Indian population is having the diabetics today. But imagine that earlier, if you need or if you want to cure the diabetic patients, they take the cadavers and then they are taking the pancreas where the insulin is secreted, and then they are taking the insulin from there and they are treating the people with the diabetic conditions. But today, because of that investigation or science investigation, that is called genetic engineering or biotechnology, now we are synthesizing the insulin from the bacteria, we are synthesizing the insulin from the yeast, we are synthesizing the insulin from the silkworm, we are synthesizing the insulin from yeast, mammalian cell, and so on and so forth. So it is magnified, only help of that engineering technology people. Because go for the mass scale, we need high protective safety manufacturing instruments designed by the engineering people. So what I try to tell that the engineering, science people, they can investigate anything. But if you want to take to the public, we need engineering technology and information technology. That is a very much important nowadays. Even I can say that, even though I have so many meetings, I told that even though we have 900 universities, 45,000 colleges, 200 research institutions, but none of them we are not reaching the global ranking. Why? Because the higher education output or excellence in higher education, it's not going to convert as an innovative idea. The innovation is coming from the excellence of higher education. It's not taking to the society. So it's the right time. The conference and the experts people are around you. They are going to tell about it, why the science, engineering, and information technology are very much important nowadays. I think it's not out of place when I am going to tell about it. National education policy, even Honorable Prime Minister is going to, is insisting that we have to go for artificial intelligence, neural network, big data analysis, 3D, so much so forth, because these people help us to take that higher output of that education, higher education to the public. So that's the way. Now computer science of our distance education, it's coming forward to conduct this wonderful conference, not only for our students, it also for the public. You should know that how we are going to use that science and technology and the engineering information technology, how it's going to be important for the in future daily life. Even my own teachers, experienced teachers, they feel difficult to operate their classes through the online. We need a training. We need an update. We need what is the events and discoveries, what happens every day. For that, we need such type of conference. I'm so happy that so many people are joining here as a conference. But one request here is Dr. Indrani, Dr. Vijay Durai. They joined themselves with their research scholars to bring out the experts from various countries. But as a participant, you should give full attention for this one. Even I could see that when I am going for the videos, I couldn't see that face of that so many participants. So when you are attending this type of conference, you have to be sincere. You have to be obedient, like a classroom. Then only you can learn the new things from the expert. And also, experts are so happy to see your face and see your response. Then only they can deliver the good things to you. With this, all people today, those who are joining in this conference, kindly work for that pandemic, how we are going to come out from that war, disaster war. And please, as a Vice Chancellor, I request you that kindly don't isolate the people infected by the patient, infected by the COVID-19. The isolation means, it doesn't mean that you should be always away from these people. Kindly help them. And also kindly help the people affected by this virus, because they are psychologically they are affected, economically they are affected, they are thinking about their future. In this situation, we all should come together, getting the idea from the various experts from various countries, and we have to dissipate our knowledge to various people living in the country. With this, I once again thank you very much for inviting me to inaugurate this wonderful webinar. And also, I thank you one and all for participating in this wonderful conference. Kindly utilize properly and get success out of it. Thank you very much for giving opportunity. Please.
Thank you, sir. To felicitate the event, it will be befitting this person, our reward registrar in charge, madam, a strong woman who looks the challenge in the eye and gives it a wink, proposes the felicitation address, as she believes in knowledge is power and leadership is inspiring and energizing people to perform at their best individually and collectively. We request our respected registrar in charge, Dr. V.S. Vasanta, to deliver the felicitation address.
Honorable Vice Chancellor of Madurai Kamaraj University, Professor M. Krishnan, respected Director of Directorate of Distance Education, Madurai Kamaraj University, Professor Vijay Durai, and respected Additional Controller of DDE, Dr. Ramaswamy, Dr. Indrani, and most valued resource persons from various countries, and learned professors and respected researchers and dear participants. Very good morning to everyone. It is my immense pleasure to deliver the felicitation address in the webinar on First International E-Conference on Recent Developments in Science, Engineering and Information Technology, organized by the Directorate of Distance Education, Madurai Kamaraj University. When you dream of conquering the world and you fill your agenda with daunting projects, it's often necessary to equip yourself with a team of good people. Any successful project, be it good or small, has something as its core, that is effective collaboration. And you can achieve it with the knowledge sharing using these all webinars and conferences. I deemed it privilege to wish the participants of this conference all the best, as this knowledge sharing help you grow, stay motivated, talent, access, recognition, and new ideas. I profoundly thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor for encouraging such a knowledge sharing initiatives even in the COVID period, as these can limit skill gaps and nurture a sense of purpose and above all, offering operational efficiency. I believe that he is the go-getter when it comes to the betterment of the university and in turn to the betterment of the researchers, as conducting such conferences in virtual and beyond all in his ordinary effort. I would like to deliver my best wishes to the Directorate of Distance Education for initiating this conference. His endeavors has always been the significant purpose, and this one is providing a platform for bringing knowledge from science and engineering tools and uniting them with the technology is commendable. Science, engineering, and technology are driving force for the field of computer science. They are closely tied and inevitable to each other. I consider deep sense of gratitude towards the eminent resource persons, Professor Dr. D.H. Manjaya, Professor Dr. Bhuvan Ulkanhar, Professor Dr. Anand Nair, Professor Dr. Bandar Sami, and Professor Dr. N. Thurai Muttarasan, and Professor Dr. Rajashekaran for delivering inspiring lectures. The deliberations showcased the profound knowledge of speakers in their ability to present the complicated concepts in the simplest manner possible. I would like to congratulate Google Guru's group and the proceedings supporting teams, both headed by Indrani, Dr. Indrani, strived hard to make this conference very successful one. My best wishes goes to the participants from diverse backgrounds, like students, researchers, professors, etc., as they have made it a point to make the lockdown times protective. Once again, a pat on the back for each and everyone that making this conference very successful one. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. We have with us here an important member of our team. This man's motto is coming together is in the beginning. Keeping together is progress and working together is success. This made him be a part of the conference by delivering a special address. May now request Professor Dr. Ramasamy, who also happens to be our Additional Controller of Examination, Directorate of Distance Education, to address the audience.
So, most respected our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor M. Krishnan, respected our Madam, Registrar in charge of Madurai Kamaraj University, Dr. V.S. Vasanta, and respected the Director of Distance Education, Professor J. Vidyadurai, and the Organizing Secretary and Head of Department of Computer Science, DDE, Madam B. Indrani, and my dear participants, the key speakers of this first international conference, e-conference on recent developments in science, engineering, and information technology. So good morning to everyone. So today we are in the fourth industrial revolution. And the last 5 years, the technology has progressed much faster. So we never imagined that in this pandemic situation, in the last 5 months, we are sit on the computer and listen all online classes. So here, that IT is information technology is help us to rescue from this pandemic situation partially. Today, that IoT, Internet of Things, the data science, cloud, AI and machine learning algorithms are major pillars in the information technology. All big software industries, including Amazon, Microsoft, IBM, and Google spend millions of amount of money to spend on these platforms and bringing them under single umbrella and to bring the hybrid technologies and providing the customized tasks and more personalized software and services. The Internet of Things, as all of you know, it is an internet access to the network of physical devices embedded with sensors, softwares, and other technologies for the purpose of communicating and the exchanging the data with other devices over network. So when we use IoT, normally we use in both customer-based IoT or consumer-based IoT as well as in the industrial-based IoT we are using today. As per the consumer IoT is concerned, in the majority cases we are using in the healthcare sectors. So our Honorable Vice Chancellor is rightly pointed out the need of the information technology, especially to handle the diabetics cases. Even almost in all the developed countries, the people are using the automated insulin therapy, working at the MQTT architecture, and they are using the Metavome models. So even in India today, the limited people are using this technology for automated insulin therapy. So as per the consumer point of view, the IoT play a major role. In the next 3 to 4 years, everyone can become a smart persons by wearing as an ornament. They are wearing the sensors as an ornament, and they will dictate everyone. So suppose that one sensor will take care of monitoring the temperature. There is another sensor is monitoring the glucose level and blood pressure level. That will dictate you. Whenever you take a sweet, it will dictate, don't take much sweet. You already consumed a lot of sweet from the morning itself. So it will dictate you, it will control your day-to-day activities. More or less, it is a second wife or second mother for you. Only it will rule the entire world in next another 5 years. As far as the industries is concerned, especially in the automobile industries, most of the car manufacturing companies are using the sensors. Everything today, almost all car manufacturers are equipped with a lot of sensors, inbuilt with a lot of sensors in the car. 10 years before, if I had any problem in my car, I go to the workshop and find out and troubleshoot it, what will be the problem. Whereas today, I sit in front of the driver's seat, that display code helps us and it will tell everything, whether every parts are working correctly or not, is there any problem, is there whether the low air in the tire, everything will be integrated with the help of sensors. So that IoT is definitely going to rule the entire world in another 5 years. And moreover, as far as today, nearly 10 billion connected IoT devices we are using. In another 2025, there will be some 20 billion sensors will come up into the market, and it is to be used in everyday life. Okay, so we have equipped with a lot of sensors. What will happen? All the sensors are emitting the millions of records, millions of data over a network, share their information with other devices and other human experts. So we need a technology to handle such a massive data, massive processing units we require. So in such cases that the cloud computing as well as the data science and the will help us to support to handle the massive data, to process the huge amount of data, make the intelligent decisions. Here, the machine learning algorithm is come and rescue us for taking the knowledgeable decisions. So today, the most of the machine learning algorithms, normally we call it as it is a deep learning, is most widely used and most in all applications. The algorithm for deep learning need the large amount of hardware as well as big data sets. But yes, my point of view, the research on deep learning is almost saturated. We are achieving 100% accuracy in almost all the deep learning algorithms. Only thing is we try to find the applications where we have to use these deep learning technologies in our day-to-day life. So in future, that the deep learning algorithms can surpass the human intelligence and resulting in advanced cognitive systems that can intelligently and fluently interact with human beings. So this conference will give the answer for all these questions regarding the big data, cybersecurity, IoT, and machine learning algorithms. So in this connection, first I congratulate the organizing secretary to choose the right topic in this pandemic situations. I wish this e-conference will have grand success. And once again, I thanks to the organizing secretary giving this opportunity to give a special address in this conference. And also, I thanks to our Honorable Vice Chancellor. I am proud to work under the administration of our Honorable Vice Chancellor. He is a highly technological person, and we all together fulfill his anticipation to bring the entire university under total ERP system. So with these few words, I once again thanks to one and all for presenting here. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. We have now come to the most important moment of the conference, which states the very aim of the event. It is the first technical session of Dr. Manjia. I entrust the session to Dr. Manjia to continue further. Welcome, sir.
Kindly provide me sharing option to me, please.
Sure, sure.
Sharing option. Slide present.
Unable to share, kindly.
Yeah. Please, sir. Please wait,
Okay.
sir. They are doing it. They are doing it. Can you see now, sir?
Yeah.
Can you connect it now? You can share.
Yeah. I'm just.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible? Slides are visible.
Yeah. It's okay. We can see the slides, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can proceed, sir. Proceed, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Just 1 minute.
அந்த இதுல வாய்ப்பெல்லாம் நம்மளுக்கு வந்து ஈஸியா கிடைச்சிருக்கு. அந்த வாய்ப்பை வந்து நம்ம பயன்படுத்தணும். நீங்க பார்த்தோம்னா எங்க இதுல படிச்ச மாணவர்கள் எல்லாருமே பார்த்தோம்னா
Is it visible, sir, to all?
Yeah, it's visible, sir.
Okay. Thank you. A very good morning to all respected Honorable Vice Chancellor, respected Registrar, dear participants, and the organizer.
மேலாண்மை பெற்றவர்கள் தான் ஆராய்ச்சி துறையில
Kindly make a record also.
Sir. Speaker, sir.
நாங்கள் உதவியாக இருப்போம் என்று சொல்லிக்கொண்டு
Hello.
Sir, Manjia,
Mic is okay, no?
Sir, Professor Manjaya, sir.
Yeah.
Kindly give the announcement. Kindly put up the mic. Other people.
Yeah. Okay.
Some crosstalk is coming.
Yeah. I got it.
Yeah, please.
Respected participants, because now due to the crosstalk, kindly unmute all of you, please.
Yeah.
Mute your all speakers.
Now
Otherwise, you are getting a lot of contention.
Please.
You are not in a position to get the proper way of the communication, please.
You can go ahead, sir.
Okay, fine, Professor. Respected members, respected participants, Honorable Vice Chancellor, beloved Registrar of MKU, and the respected members, and the organizer. First of all, I would like to congratulate in selecting the very digital zeros and ones, what you say today, like electronic commerce, the recent trends in electronics, what are all the various emerging, the backbone and the base knowledge is very essentially required for the whole set of the knowledge-based environment around the globe. we have to remember always with the direction of a man-made machine. Man-made machine always a computing paradigm. What you say? A computer. Computer is basically a commonly usable, commonly available. It's a totally optimal one. It's a materialistic one, a performance one, a universal one, time sense one, more efficient one, highly resourceful one. Based on the level of a identify such a way that many things, correct? No, we are indeed privileged to see most of the aspects in the physical. The systems were available, golden days, in a chamber. Now everything is in our hand, in our palm, in our eyes. You see how the changes were happened today, the globally, because of level of the revolution, evolution, which were happen in exponential manner, not only because of the computing paradigm, because of the other C comes such a way that in which way the level of the sharing flow, we can say exchange of a data from the computing paradigm reachable to the target end is nothing but a communication. And finally, in order to achieve an effective, a successful goal or productivity, with the help of a computer, with the help of what we are observing like a different generation, first generation, second generation, third generation, we are indeed at present fifth generation, the changes were happened because of ultimately how the demand has come to the market. Probably the user are very highly proactive, making use the facility. Still, we are finding different emerging technologies in which way data becomes a big data, a technology becomes a IoT, and later in which way we are not in a position to find today like a floppy drive, followed by like a primary hard disk drive, then followed by what we have like a Zoom boxes, and you are in a position to find at present like a cloud computing paradigm. So you take into consideration like a cloud computing, Internet of Things, because of the God Internet, what we are observing the flow of an exchange. I'm giving a clear focus in which way the various levels of the information flow happen, and one of the other, my milestone of my talk, which shows very clearly what is computer, what are all the changes, the communication, what are the communication changes, because wired, without wired, what we can say like a Wi-Fi, WiMAX, Bluetooth technology, IEEE standards, whatnot, we are going to be find out ourselves, correct? No, one to another, which are I indeed privilege and find out like a wireless technology, and what are all the changes because of a computing technology overruled by a cellular technology in order to manage such a way that how the level of signal which are going to be hit our body, finally the impact of that one is a different strategies. And in addition to that one, what are all the different trends of the technology? I used to be point out what are all the, because of most of the participants are eagerly looking for what sort of a research and the problem statement which are available in one to another. If time permits, I would like to be elaborate what are all the standard level of a problem statement which are very, very well known to be understandable and knowledgeable. Is it possible to take myself as a challenge today? We can come out easily what are trends of the various technology with related to the what R&D, research and developmental activities. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I welcome you all on behalf of the first e-commerce, a standard recent trends of e-commerce and the information technology with all the focusing events. See, I mentioned very clearly zeros and flow. a computing paradigm, a computer, a resourceful one. The technology changes were happen in the digital. What is meant by digital? A data, an exchange unit, it's an intense computation, say globalization, a technological aspects, automation, and finally least cost and high productivity. That is nothing but a digital. What are the changes were happen one to another? See, once you say computer, if you look at it very clearly, the basic, the minimum configuration required is easily how best way. One is the speed, another one is how best way, which are going to be digestible, whatever the icon which are going to be displayed on the desktop or a palm top or a laptop environment, nothing but an oxygen called a RAM, random access memory. Finally, what level of the storage? What we are observing, the changes were happen, correct? No, one to another. We can say that one, revolutions were happen, one to another. See, these are waves. In which way the changes were happen one to another from mainframe, an evacuated chamber of systems, and finally mini, then followed by what we are seeing like a desktop environment because of the tiny of the microprocessor. Then later changes, correct? No, way back from the first generation to the second generation, after coming from the vacuum tube, what were the changes were happened from the integrated circuit chips, correct? No, from the mid 60s, 70s, 70s, 80s, and the 70s, 90s. Now, 20, correct? No, 2000 later, the changes were happened. You are to remember always like a ground level, in which way the changes are going to be take place from the motherboard, correct? No, you say that one, mainframe, mini computer, personal computer, simputer, at last, you can say supercomputer also, correct? No, changes. But ultimately, they taken in a revolution manner with the help of what you call networking paradigm. Without network, correct? No, we are not in a position because of the situation is a versatile situation due to the pandemic, correct? Now, best way we can reachable our flow of an exchange from one end to other end, overall, a knowledge-based personality, we can regularly interact without a communication, without a networking, without a distributing, impossible, correct? Changes were happening. But where exactly the flow of an exchange, we can say that one, all zeros and one which are going to be stored, probably in the next generation and later 2030, we are not in a position to find the motherboard also. In which way? Dr. Ramaswamy sir mentioned very clearly, everything which are going to be usable and throwable, correct? No? In the sense, what we are going to be find in a cloud environment, no hard disks which are going to be focused. Today itself only, correct? No, absolute. But later also, and later also in future days also, we are not in a position to find where exactly storage, correct? Now we can link. We can take an example easily, in which way today, a standard level of the Amazon, Google, were all available, correct? No, the service orient. And we have never come across where the level of the flow of an exchange which are going to be provide an extensive knowledge to the user, correct? No. But once you get into the www.yahoo.com, www.amazon.com, www, whatever your favorite website URL, we indeed privilege, we can get a very, very reliable flow of information, but which are available in a different direction, different place of that one, what we are going to be observed with respect to a cloud environment, a clouding strategies. If you see the changes were happen from the mainframe computer, mini computer, personal computer, desktop, correct? No. If the flow which are available within that one, how best way are going to be usable, which are comes to the a clear, preamble, none other than a communication. Today you take any communication paradigm, radar communication, we are borrowing flow of an exchange from the telecommunication, telegraphy, radio communication, whatnot, satellite communication. These are all 5 important basic essential terminologies are very, very important once any communication which are going to be take place. That means to say, in which way my flow which are going to be reachable to the respected participants, in which way yourself can understand, that is going to be the message. Who are all communicating, correct? No? In which way the flow of an exchange which start from the sender, source machine. Who are all the authority? Then you say sender. In which way it are going to be reachable to the destiny, sink. Then you can say receiver. And there should be a medium. Without medium, there is no communication. You say that one, maybe is very clearly like a bound media, unbounded media, guided media, unguided media. We can say that one is the changes which are going to be medium. But in order to understand the flow of an exchange between a sender and the receiver, there should be a set of rules and the procedures are available. Those set of rules are the procedure for in order to convey very systematically, understandably, none other than it's a protocol, correct? You can say one is a sender, a receiver, message, medium, protocol. These are the 5 very, very important, correct? You can say components are very, very essentially providing an extensive knowledge of any sort of a communication. I don't want to say what is the definition. What I mentioned very clearly, protocol is basically set of rules or a set of procedure for governing a reliable data transmission is nothing but a protocol. We take an example like IP, Internet Protocol, TCP, UDP, HTTP. These are all the protocol. Have their own standard flow of an exchange which are going to be managed such a way that how the user in order to send any sort of an exchange you need from their location to the independent, correct? No, the target machine. We say that one, but mind it very clearly, you are borrowing flow of an exchange, correct? No, one is an exchange you need followed by an information which automatically connect to process, abstract. Finally, you can get a knowledge, correct? No, that is going to be IT, information technology. We need to be understand in a systematic manner, correct? No, what are the differences between a man-made machine, a computing technology, and also the communication technology, correct? No, the computing technology have their own storage, the processing, and also the retrieving, present, whatnot, with the help of a tiny, correct, PDF, personal digital assistant. There should be a package which are available managing. We can say easily, I can give a, in which way can easily understandable a computer, correct? No. A number of resources are available, in which way we are going to be manage the resources with the help of set of instruction usage friendly package. It's a combination of, which are combination of both software and the hardware. Hardware in the sense, all peripherals, software in the sense, in order to manage any sort of an hardware, then. But you see the other end, the flow in which way which are going to be take place, the exchange of thoughts from our end. Similarly, how you can take a classify like an online, offline level of a services, transmit in a form of zeros, correct? Now, if myself is talking, my audio flow, which are going to be capturing, correct? Now, from this corresponding camera, and immediately which are not going to be rolled through the cable media, but which are going to be convert in the form of zeros and ones, finally, which are making use of various other components, which are nothing but maybe we can say that network interface card, and similarly, which are all the phone line, and in which way the technological aspect which are available, none other than God internet. We can see that one, how the changes. That means to say, the flow which are available, and in order to disseminate, in order to transfer, in order to make understandable, in order to create a knowledge, then a key role of a technology which forefront is none other than communication technology. Observe very clearly the satellite, what we are observing like a GPS, driverless car, a God internet, All these are comes to a picture very clearly. Lot of changes, a lot of differences we can find from the computing technology. Of course, we can say a computer networks. I can give a simple definition in order to manage, correct? No, set of a collectivity of connection of autonomous computers for sharing resources directly and indirectly. You can say in which way you can easily definition. That means to say collectivity of multiple number of computers from one department of MKU, Madurai Kamaraj University. You can see we are not in a position, correct? No, maybe one of the department 100, another department 150, correct? No, we can say collectivity of the flow of an exchange from one department. Connectivity of which may connect through wide media, Ethernet cable media, copper media, fiber optic media, you can say one to another, how the changes. Autonomous computers, independent to one another, in which way the confidential flow of an information which are going to be manageable in case of examination section, in case of administrative section, in which way how the research and developmental activities are going in the research center, correct? Which are the independent to one another. That's why collectivity of connection of autonomous computers for sharing resources. That means to say CPU may be a resources, memory may be a resources, RAM may be a resources, disk storage may be a resources. Sharing resources directly, indirectly. Directly in the sense, we have a connectivity from the BSNL, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. We have a connectivity from the Airtel. We have a connectivity from the public telephone line, private telephone line. We say that those are all direct, bounded, and guided. We can easily observe the changes which are going to be happen from one end to other end. But indirectly, open air, Wi-Fi, WiMAX, Bluetooth technology, satellite flow, these are all indirect, correct? No, say that one. That means to say, there should be a capability, have their own capacity, have their own property, in which way, what we are using like a copper wire, what we are using like Ethernet. We can't extend from here to California. We can't extend from here to Sri Lanka. We can't extend from here to USA. There's certain, correct? In order to manage my flow of an exchange from here to MKU, Madurai Kamaraj University, then there should be dominating a combination of both direct and indirect media. But you say that one, certainly that is a part of internet. Internet is a God for us. Everything, which comprises two important words, interconnection of network of MKU, network of Berkeley, network of Indian Institute of Science, network of IIT Mumbai, correct? Now we can see that one out. That's why the flow of an exchange with flow from one network of A to the another network of A, you can say that one God internet, most, correct? Now which are available. Of course, see once we define, describe, have their own, correct? No, a part of not only just what we are seeing through a desktop or a palm top or a screen, but independently the responsibility more on hardware part of that one. Not only the computer, there should be a NIC card. To take an example, a phone, our own personal digital assistant cellular phone, is a partner, cellular phone, mobile device. We have a number, correct? No, from the supply of that one, Airtel or Vodafone or from overall Reliance, correct? No, those numbers are entirely different in which way it are going to be embedding to a standard physical device. We can say that one SIM card device. Without SIM card, no communication in any sort of a cellular or the mobile device. Impossible. Same way, there should be an intelligent card. There should be an intelligent card focusing the flow of, in which way my audio, video flow, which are going to be visualized, audible the other end, then my laptop having an NIC card, network interface card. You observe very clearly these are all focusing very one to another, have their own address. One is an Ethernet address, other one is a logical address. A physical address and the logical address. If you get into the www.yahoo.com, get into the www Madurai Kamaraj University.ac.in, then instead of that one, you can get through the logical address also. Use a command called ping, and then you can find out how, because how best way the flow of an exchange which are going to be beginning and reachable to the target. We have that one, and there should be a standard level of a routing devices. What we observe like a modem, correct? No, which takes one form of signal analog, convert into another form of signal digital. Find it very clearly. Any sort of a software development, any sort of an innovation idea, any sort of a flow of an exchange which are going to be thoroughly in the form of a project, we can classify only two types of the signal. One is an analog signal and digital signal. The combination of both, you can say that one, analog signals and analog devices, analog signals and digital devices, digital signals and digital devices, digital signals and analog, like that with various other. It's a combination of that one, correct? No, that's why we are going to use a modem, act like a device, convert one form of signal to another form of signal. And the other end, what we are observing, I told very clearly, like most of the wire cable media, correct? No, what we are using, like guided media, unguided media. In order to manage with the help of how the communication which are my flow goes through the keyboard directly to the NIC card, then there should be a set of instructions, packages or utilities available. We can say network OS related. We need not to manage the protocol which are going to be take the responsibility and do the task. And finally, we are going to be reachable. Similarly, how the flow, how the way, in which way the connectivity of the network, connectivity of the computer, we can say logical layout, one to another classification. Of course, in order to remember, most of the aspects of the network essential, that means to say, which comes from the standards of the IEEE, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, correct? No, beginning from IEEE 802.1, 2, 3, correct? No, what we are observing like Ethernet technology, token ring technology, ATM technology, frame relay technology, even what we are seeing a Bluetooth technology that is IEEE 802.15 standards technology. Like that way, we are one to another, we can observe. But here, if you go for classifying a network which through what we observe very clearly, based on the distance, which will come the types. One is a local area network. If we are within a confined area, within the deploying area, we say that 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, then a local area network. How the 400, 500 kilo flow of an exchange, the relay of an exchange unit which goes to pass, then the metropolitan area network, 1,000, 2,000, then wide area network. The combination of both public and the private network which are comes. Of course, in order to manage based on the IEEE standards, the flow in which way the exchange which start from the beginning point to the end point is a topology. Topology, the way in which way we can make an arrangement of a computer from one to another. We say the bus topology, ring topology, looks very pictorial representation, but have their own merits, have their own demerits, have their own pros and cons once we define whatever it may be. Of course, today, essentially, in which way the computing paradigm dominated the key role, like that network also. See, way back 3-4 decades, person does not well versed with the computing paradigm. We used to treat him as illiterate. Now, you have to be very cautious. Network, you forget the computing. Now you have to be concentrated, networking, communication. You minimum knowledge, very, very essential. How, which network, in which way you can go for setting the configuration, how the flow, how we can just break up, how we can go for the blocking, correct? No, all these are very, very, which consists of many. Not only the classification, and we can find out the flow of an exchange in the form of multimedia. Of course, the standard level of a technology which are available, one is an Ethernet technology, IEEE 802.3, then followed by token ring technology, then followed by token bus technology. See, one to another have their own characteristic feature, have their own flow of an exchange, fast, speedy. If you take like 10 base T, 100 base T, various, correct? No, how the flow of an exchange. That means to say, today, the signal representation, we start from 0 to terahertz, 10 power of 12 above that one. We can make a classification such a way that we have a capacity, we have a capability to understand not after 300, below 3300. This is a frequency in which we can easily voiceable signal. Before also, after also, we can classify these signals such a way that one is called a unicast, broadcast, and multicast. Correct now how that one. Another way is we can say narrow band, broadband. Correct now how the flow of an exchange of a band of a signal. Still further, we can say that one and all start from very low frequency, medium frequency, very high frequency, ultra high frequency, super high frequency, extremely high frequency. We are not in the position to understand in which way the satellite flow, radio microwave signal which are going to be reached, correct? No, there should be a smart, tiny device which is going to be carry and convert and say, this is the capacity we can able to reach, correct? No, these are all the technology comes to a picture very clearly, one to another, what we call Ethernet technology, token ring technology, transmission control protocol, internet. Without this one, without TCP/IP, we are not in a position to view whatever our online transaction, whatever our, correct, no, net banking, whatever other flow of an exchange, which are going to be through OTP, one-time password, impossible. We can say TCP is basically highly reliable protocol, highly guaranteed protocol. It says once communication takes place through TCP, it will tell myself is available, I'm ready to transfer till end of your last exchange. A simple example, a TCP is what we are using, a register post flow in case of postal communication. That is one of the important aspects. Of course, the history, not today, we started from, correct, no, 1960s. And later, correct, no, lot of improvement, development. We can see that one in which way the exponential level flow of the, if you look at the revolution of the Windows environment went on, 95, 98, 2000, 2007, 2008, no Vista, finally we are reachable to 2010, correct, no? Like that way, the changes were happen based on the packet. That means to say, the data exchange, which are in the beginning like analog, then taken in the form of a digital, the combination. What is the level of a packet flow which are going to be take place, and finally. What I define very clearly, like if you make a distance within the organization, within the confined building, deploying, then the minimum number of computers, like 100, 150, then that is the status of the local area network. Is more than that one, correct, no, reachable. A distance is more. The flow of an exchange of a data is also going to be very fast. The number of computers are more. Like that way, the changes will happen. Metropolitan area network. And finally, World Wide Web, correct, now one continent to another continent, one country to another country, how the flow which are going to be take place, and providing an extensive knowledge. Those are the real flow of an exchange today available to us. Of course, I don't want to give the definition of that one. We'll go one by one. What we observe in case of a wide technology, we are borrowing flow of an exchange from the telecommunication, correct now? Copper wire, then followed by from the Ethernet cable media, then fiber optic. See, one to another have their own characteristic features. If you say copper wire, if you say Ethernet cable, the flow of an exchange which are in the form of electromagnetical waves. Not up to our expectation, but the changes were happen from the fiber optic, what we are using like a Cat3, Cat6, Cat5 cable, which are available today, replaced by all the copper wire by the fiber optic, because which flow goes to take place through property of light rays, correct? No, light waves. That's a changes, because in which way light passing, correct? No, index, multi-index, single index, how the flow of an exchange, the straight line. Based on that one, the speed also has been increased. But what we observe, those are all wired. If you look at like a wireless technology, we initiated from the, what I mean to say is like beginning from the ultraviolet rays, infrared rays, radio microwaves, correct? No, all the things, which are from the 19th century, then followed by 1994, what we are using, like, correct? No, in all our cellular phone, correct? No, Bluetooth technology. Then what is called wireless fidelity, correct? No, that is one. Of course, we can see that one, what I mentioned very clearly, IEEE 802 point, beginning from 3, 4, 5, even ISDN, integrated services digital network, frame relay, correct? No, all. Then finally, what we are observing, technology like Bluetooth, IEEE 802.50. Now, open specification, very low power consumption, and available with very low cost, and which will make use the standard RFID technology, radio frequency identifier technology, correct? No, what is today, what year? Of course, which minimize the level of useful personal networking. You say how for making use, in which way Professor Ramasamy sir mentioned very clearly, in order to manage our BP, sugar, correct? No, while walking, it will give a very clear, probably those days are surely we expecting that one, that type of network, you can say PAN, personal networking, personal area networking. Still, which are going to be replaced, and those have their own combination of packets, the multimedia, multiple internet mail extension, we can make use, correct? No, the worldwide usability is highly approachable. But next, wireless, what we are observing in the with an access point, with the base stations, correct? No, notes what we are observing, wireless LAN. That means to say, what we are using, a wired LAN, went on through the replacing without wireless fidelity, that automatically make use both, correct? No, receiving, transmission, connecting multiple number. You can say that one, how the connectivity access board from one end to other end, finally you can find the specific geographical boundary level. Of course, we can see from the mobile, we can set up through Wi-Fi, widely used, available in any sort of, correct? No, even in which way, I don't know, the way reachable to the particular destination, correct? No, you can set up through the GPS and make that widely available, correct? No, that is, and relatively inexpensive, very easily set up, configuring that one, and the set of instructions which are available is user-friendly and much more security. That means to say, it provides a very clear flow of user identification, authentication, authorization, availability. Those features also indeed, and global set of standards also available. Still, you can find out, of course, how the architecture which looks generally all the things. Of course, still enhancing the WiMAX technology, correct? No, axis with the help of digital subscriber line. If we move towards the changes, still further enhancing within the city, within the urban area, then we can make use WiMAX technology. Of course, both Wi-Fi, WiMAX, Bluetooth technology, which are dependable on RFID technology. What, correct? Now, what we are using in a city center, mall center, how the flow, correct? Now, the device is automatically, ultimately scan a barcode, display the flow of an information, corresponding productivity, matchable, the rate, correct? No, there's a technology called RFID, radio frequency identification. In our library also, correct? Where you can see various other application, various other places also, how the technology which are going to be viable, especially policemen, in which this, I mean, a tiny device which easily manageable. There should be a transponder, in which way the transponder which are embedded in case of a satellite data, correct? No, for both the uplink or the downlink data services, like that way there is a tiny antenna, and finally you can get the corresponding flow of. Of course, you can make use for a GPS, all, even in which way we can easily track this particular vehicle is moving, correct, no, where exactly, and what we are using a location, correct, no, identification. See, in all the cases, observe very clearly, even though we have a computer, we have a communication on the floor, but until there is no proper way of the positive approaches of the flow of an exchange, not in a position to give from the satellite as well as internet, we are not in a position to get any zeros and ones and the packet flow or the audio flow in the ground level itself. That means to say that's why only in which way the changes were happening every 6 months, 3 months, GSLV, PSLV, correct, no, which are going to be launched in order to manage most reliable, flexible, highly secured, how which are going to be flow, because of the satellite will take their responsibility to reliable and exchange from one. Even take an example of any sort of a channel flow which are going NDTV, CN network, national channel flow which are going to be available. How flow, correct? Any sort of a channel which are flow without satellite impossible. Even though they have a master transponder, they have a master, correct, no, antenna, and in which way which are going to be reachable to the end user, satellite is going to be play of their own. Of course, you can see that one which are a part. Once you say the component technology which are trends one end to other end, we have like a various other, correct, no, maybe a light rays, sources, receiver, amplifying from one, in which way which are going to be minimizing the noise, in which way which are going to be maintain the flow of an exchange in a uniform manner, like a repeaters, we can say repeating. That means to say in order to repeat, maintain the flow of an exchange from one end to other end, repeaters, the device is automatically route. It will say very clearly, your source is like Bangalore, you are going to be reachable to the Madurai, how the flow, that is because of the routing device take the responsibility, a physical device, in which way the procedure which are going to be flow of an exchange, then the routing process, and mean to say like a switches, both analog and digital, and similarly number of converter. That means to say, we can classify the technology, switching technology in 3 different. One is a message switching, packet switching, circuit switching, then the packet switching. The message switching, a simple example of a postal communication system, but which once again borrowing flow of an exchange in case of telephone. That is a circuit switch. It's circuitly based, correct? No, it said that one dedicated. But in all cases, similarly, which follows the packet, the exchange in it, which are going to be transferred in the form of packet. That's why packet switching. One to another is different. Once again, say reliable and unreliable. We take in all cases 3, 4 important, we can say that one 4 important primitives are available. One is an indication, request, response, and confirmation. Any type of a switching mechanism, any type of a switching technological aspect, which are going to be taken from the beginning point to the end point, in order to understand 4 important primitives are very, very essential. One is called indication, request, response, and confirmation. You take an example. In order to give a call to your friend from your phone, there should be a ringtone. That is an indication. Then you are going for a dialing it. That is called the request. Then in which way you are going to be go for, correct? No, data transfer. Finally, the confirmation. Indication, request, response, and confirmation. These 4 are very, very important aspects of a primitives available in any switching mechanism. Of course, level of a 1G, 2G, correct? No, today what we are observing, a beginning from 1980s, Nokia, correct? No, what we observe today, we are not in a position to find, correct? No, the finding the latest technologies which relate, correct? No, different vendors, who are all the, correct? No, subscriber available. The changes were happen every decade, correct? No, 1981, 92, 2001, today, we can easily find multiple technologies, correct? No, basically first G technology refers to the wireless telephone technology, which gives a very speedy, not in terms of kilobits per second, cause only the one country, and basically only sinusoidal level of the signal. That's called analog signals, voice signal. And initiated first and the foremost in the USA, later second technology, 91, what we call, if you go correct, no, mobile, a standard level of a GSM, which creates their own, correct, no, increase the speed 64 kilobits per second, then it will use for the multimedia messages, not the multimedia messages, correct, no, messages, how the flow capacity, of course, still enhancing the flow from the 1G technology in the form of very qualitative and most capacity. And similarly, 2.5G technology, which came very clearly, GPRS, what you call like general purpose radio services to develop, correct, no? What we observe like a GPRS standards, which automatically, correct, no? Get through the email message transaction, browsing options, with the speed rate of 64 to 1.44, then having embedded with the camera, then have their own speed of like MP3 songs also inscribed. And later, 3D technology during year 2000. It will give a very clear picture about these changes were happened from one end to other end, how they accommodate web-based application. Today, in order to manage the flow of that one, need not to go to the desktop or a laptop. We can easily get through the GOD internet through our cellular phone that were initiated during year 2000 cell phone. Of course, most faster communication, no? You can send, there is no limitation, which were happened during first and the 2 and 2.5, and later high speed also, more secured also, a lot of joyful inflow, a number of games in 3Ds, isometric level of the productivity, then the large capacity broadband, correct, no, which were happened, and minimum. Of course, the fourth, once again, the level of the 4G, fourth generation technology, enhance the speed very close to 1 gigabits per second, 10 power of 9 bits per second representation. And happening to be term described as a magic one. What we are seeing like a mobile multimedia, anytime, anywhere, correct? No, we can easily get through that one. The integrated wireless solutions and mobile broadband, everywhere the flow of the data which are available to us and get through. Of course, more secure one, highly speed of one, and more capacity one, and cheap. That means it's a competitive because the demand less, and finally, even though demand more, and the cost is also very highly accommodative. See, just I have taken into consideration in which way it happened. The beginning, 1G technology with only the voice signal, then the 2D technology, a combination of digital as well as the simple data, the message transaction, the 3G technology like a mobile broadband in which way the flow which went on from one level of location, more distance, one country to another, like that way. And later, LTE. Today, what we are observing, the advanced technology of the correct, no, terminal equipment which are through. And finally, what we are get through that one, like WWW, World Wide Web Consortium, a replace from the 5G technology, what we call like wireless World Wide Web technology, which initiated later 2010, and we find ourselves enhancing, correct, no, the data. Complete wireless communication, certainly no limit at all, both analog as well as digital data transmission. Still, you can say the properties which are there like high speed, high capacity, and the data in the form of not one and more also, gigabits per second, and the high density, correct, no, the quality of the data which are going to be appear on the monitor and the display in it is much more highly qualitative and interactive multimedia, and which are correct, no. Still, I can say the key technological aspect which trends from, in case of 5G technology, from borrowing 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, you can observe such a way that multiple level of gigabits per second, which are going to be dense area, correct? No, a spectrum of the usage from the low compatibility to high compatibility, medium level of ranges of the signal also, and finally large scale and highly flexible architecture, correct? Now we can keep on change. Even though device available, how? Of course, you see that one mobile 2G, 3G, 4G given at 2.6 billion, correct? No, the subscription which were happened, and today we can't, correct? No, in which way the changes in our home, even not only a personality we are all going to get through the usage, even in which way the animal also, correct? No, which are through how they can hierarchically play flow of an information in order to manage, correct? No, changes. See the changes for happen, revolutionize in an exponential manner. The technology is nothing but mobile technology. Still, the monthly mobile data traffic, which were estimated during 2030, like 10 power, correct? No, but today what we are observing, like more than the changes which are going in an exponent. That means to say we are using not only the multimedia, but which are the social network available, what like a WhatsApp, social network, Facebook, and our regular online transaction of the business, which are going to be happen through the Amazon, Snapdeal, Flipkart, correct? No. See, once you say that one, there should be an exchange of a flow which are going to be reachable to the destination, that itself only taking a use. That indicates that one like 1.9 billion to 5.6 billion, the changes were happened because of worldwide connectivity of the flow. But which one is highly forcible to be understandable? None other than cloud computing environment. It says very clearly, we are not in a position to keep the flow of a motherboard and the hard disk, magnetic tape, jukeboxes, but finally you have to find a very highly evacuated chamber which are going to be available, none other than cloud computing. With respect to security, with respect to various transparency, how the allocation, what you call like a data center today, correct? Now, have their own data center, which went on through the difficult level, and finally, the dynamic pools of the virtual resources, automated environment, and simply consume a different manner. Say that one, infrastructure as a service, software as a service, correct? No, platform as a service, which are going to be available. You can make use. Today, Amazon, a simple example of a very good cloud computing, and Amazon provide like HP, Azure, anything, correct? No, requirements. What I mentioned like a platform, the OS itself only acts like a services. A set of instruction usage license oriented, that itself only. The infrastructure which are available for storage, available for CPU usage, memory usage, all which are comes a part of the cloud computing environment. Of course, have their own standard architecture, which give a very clear picture about how the flooring of that one, the core architecture of 32 bits, 64 bits, 128 bits level of the processor, which are going to be gained, in which way the application which are going to be take place for storing, correct? No, flow, which are going to be manageable with the various logical layers available. You can say that one, virtual memory services, web services, which are, correct? No, area of representation, standards of the workstation, all the things. But ladies and gentlemen, keep in mind, once what with the changes were happen in a computing paradigm, communication paradigm, finally the data, simple data is went on to replaced by big data, correct? Now everywhere, because of have their own speed, we can say that one, velocity, veracity, variety, and how the flow which went on to that one. Based on that one, entry everywhere, correct? Warehouse, web data, internet data, electronic commerce data, online data transaction, in which way, which are the banking online transaction, which are going to be happen, credit, social network flow. Say that when you data sets a large inside, you can't imagine the complex of, even though which are in a semi-structured, unstructured, how the availability of the real-time data with the of a social network, how we can make use. Is it possible to make use? That's why the big data. You can see that one. Some of the standard application, healthcare application, correct? No, which are through that one. Today, you are finding a very, very critical situation due to pandemic of the quarantine, which are going to be happen. Even though we keep on sensing the number of patients who are all coming, correct? The percentage, how they used to say in the countrywide, worldwide, continent-wide, because of the data analytics which are going to be taken, multi-channel sales, in which way the call centers, mall centers, online data, correct now, which are going to be finance level of the transaction which are going to be take place. Logically, analysis of the, correct no? We say that one, suppose myself is through directly for the presentation to the MKU based on the standard level of the conference presentation, but easily anybody can trace and track how through our like a gateway which are available, correct no? They used to use standard like a command, they can find out is it a particular person or professor is using the system, simply switch down, correct no? There's a log analysis. If that is the case happening, how you can just see that one, a level of the fraud, level of the correct no? Malfunctions, level of the malware which are happening, correct no? You can make use of log analysis, the qualitative of research which are there, correct no? In which way you can find out maximum level. Not only like Google, Alta Vista, Arda, Docfile, correct no? Different, correct now we can make sure that one. A telecommunication, traffic control, in which way can make use computer level of the system automatically maintain how, correct no? Signal representation, level of the homeland security, the company devices through, correct no? Manufacturing, all available, correct. Similarly, and you can identify like in order to manage a big data analytics, like most of the aspects which are through big data analytics, aggregation and sets. The combination of both computer science, the combination of statistics and the mathematical approaches highly available and approachable, which going to be analyzed with the help of, correct no, the big data, and you can see that one multiple number of problems and the challenging issues which are going to be. You can say that one, it clearly focus on BA, you can say business intelligence and the big data analytics. You can make a comparison between one to another. How the predictive and the data science, one of the emerging area, correct now, which went on to replace by the science which deals with an exchange flow to understand really with the help of a mathematical approaches, correct now. And similarly, we have a standard level of the online data sets which are available for making use for the various applications like image processing, video analysis, audio analysis, multimedia analysis. Is it possible to design, correct no? The proper design. And you can make sure that one large scale data sets and the raw data, a complex set of flow of an exchange which are available and providing correlation and most of the aspects. Of course, most of the aspects behind, there should be a platform available in order to understand none other than a standard Hadoop. It will provide an extensive knowledge for how the processing, how the analytics which are going to be with the help of two important aspects of the distributor. One is called a MapReduce. We can make sure that one is they have their own architecture available, a tracking of a various number of jobs which are through, and finally with the help of a task tracker, and you can get through that. That means to say Hadoop have their own concept of in order to manage the level of the distributed file system. Hadoop basically HD. We have like a network file system, Windows file system. A system is available for in order to manage the admin. Then there should be an HDFS through Hadoop. We can call it as Hadoop distributed file system in order to manage. Of course, we have multiple number of n number of nodes connectivity, the application thoroughly provide an extensive, of course, in order to reduce an aspects, correct, no, which are available, use data in order to go for indexing, categorizing, classification, sorting, and you can make use a concept called MapReduce. Of course, potential usage of that one, in order to manage the processing of GIS data, in order to go for stock, share stock information, machine learning tasks which are available, and then there you can make use standard level of big data Hadoop application. Of course, another important aspect, none other than IoT. Raspberry Pi, a project which initiated such a way that in order to understand, correct, no? Simple device, tiny device, which provide an extension knowledge, very correct, no? Small, tiny chip went on through providing an extensive knowledge, none other than, not only for a computing personality to understand the knowledge, who are all there. In order to treat them very clearly, there should be a sensible device. The connectivity of physical driving massive gains in the form of efficiency level, and in order to increase the growth of business application, the quality of life, that is going to be IoT. Of course, today, without driver, correct, no? How the operations which are going to be happen, a concept called smart city. Smart city, what we correct now? With the help of devices, with the help of smart infrastructure, with the help of smart intelligent device, with the help of smart equipment, finally reachable, correct? Connect to the traffic signals, parking and lighting, and similarly how the city service which are going to be manageable, even though there should be a proper signal in order to manage. These are all part and parcel of real backbone and the properties of IoTs, data analytics, cloud computing, and computing. Of course, we have come across like a connected car, a driverless car, correct? No? In which way? The intelligence aspect which are going to be feed, embedding to the device, finally, which are going to be take online entertainment, mapping, dynamic, wireless router, and connected to the sensor, urban connectivity, most of these, correct? If you say connected car have their own devices in order to manage. It will tell fuel is available or not, in which way, the alignment of the wheel. Similarly, how the which are going to be manageable before getting to the car and start and move from, correct? No, all this. And typical level of Weave's observation of the IoT today, automation, industrial automation, smart home, we can say smart health, and similarly smart city. These are all very highly distributed, highly approachable with the help of IoT. And finally, IoT application in all 360-degree angle in order to manage electronic commerce, in order to manage e-commerce, in order to manage share business, in order to manage, correct, no? Marketing, in order to manage services, in order to manage which way ourselves, correct, no? Easily through. Today, like in which way the Zomato, online food services, correct, no? Which are through that one. And finally, none other than like educational system also, which are highly motivated, inspired because of the standard level of tiny devices. Make sure that one, the application orient for any sort of, and medical application especially. Today, we are in a indeed privileged to go with, correct, no? Remote virtually surgical operation, correct, no? With you can say that one, how the operation which are going to be happening for any sort of, correct, no? Our part of body, which are pharmaceuticals, the medical appliances, and especially we are observing most of the aspects in case of through image processing, through the help of the standard level of the artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, all the approaches which are the highly embedding the flow of an exchange finally reachable. And of course, we can find out one to another the standard level of the research areas, beginning from security, correct? How we can incorporate a security approach in computing paradigm, how we can incorporate security approach level protocols. Is it possible to design our own level of a protocols above the IP, above the TCP, above the UDP? If we are using for like a telnet, telephone network, tel to network, if you are using for like NNTP, network news transfer protocol, how we can set up the security aspects like that way for the protocol strategy, validation, verification protocols. Similarly, large scale wireless network like RFID, sensors, what are all the challenging events are there? What are the challenging problems which are approachable? Mobility, we can say IP version 4 mobility, IP version 6 mobility. Today, whatever the level of the address are available, all in the form of like 32 bits, 2 power of 32. Is it possible to provide for a population like, correct now, what we have like 130 crore of a population? If you keep on increasing in a home, father, mother, children, even including like animals, in order to get through the guard internet, how best way the mobility service which are going to be cope up. That is IP version 6, like a 128 bit level, how to accommodate the flow. And similarly, high speed wireless connectivity, which impose, correct no, from in terms of kilobits per second to megabits per second, gigabits per second, but achieving terabits per second will take its own time. Similarly, the network-based computing, you can make a grid. Is it possible to find out a number of reliability, quality of services, so performance analysis? So we can make a comparison with the light rays which are going to be moved, packet switching technology, and some of the problems which are related. Similarly, cloud distributed computing environment, challenges which are there, like virtualization, no? Load balancing concept too, distributed computing approaches. So how to just see the time complexity and space, which are through that one computing paradigm. And similarly, you can just get through that integration of multiple radio access technology. Aloha network probably might be remember always ever like normal distribution, Poisson distribution level of the technology aspect which are there. Today, how the exponential level of the distribution which are going to be reachable, understandable, the flow in the form of like a zeros and ones, and finally, correct now, with the help of various technological aspects. So a shared spectrum, correct no? I mentioned very clearly spectrum range of the frequency from the very low, medium, high, ultra, correct no? Is it possible? And one important of the problem of mobile or the mobility are like energy efficiency. How best way you are going to be make use the level of the energy available for the full time, and similarly for the total level of the usage of the services, understanding the flow of a propagation, higher frequency, and radio front ends of the higher frequency level. These are various other research areas which are going to be provided highly dominating and flow of an exchange in order to make use one to another. Of course, these are my talks are going to be wind up. Once again, I can just suggest you, we can just make sure such a way that we have a challenging approaches in order to find out such a way that how best way the protocol addressing, similarly addressing availability, authentication, authorization. Is it possible to make sure like a security aspect which is related to the cryptography? Similarly, how the today cellular network security, because of various other type of blogging which are going to be happening and finding, correct now, every day, and that indicate that one we are indeed privileged to learn a lot more from the technology of like a computer, communication, and network, and finally, in order to gain with all pains, and you have to do ourselves, which are going to be highly dominating to the knowledge-based environment, and some contributions are very, very essentially required at this stage, because until unless we are not in a position to think with the help of a technology, we are not going to grow at all. That means there's a final networking test still evolving, revolving, and say that one God internet expected everywhere in our fingerprints also. That indicates, and finally, it's my And if any sort of queries or questions, I'm always welcome to you. And once again, I'm very thankful to the organizer, esteemed Professor Jairaj and Professor Indrani, and authority of the MKU, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Registrar, Controller, and the DD, Director of Distance Education, Department of Computer Science. I'm very thankful to you once again. Thank you. Have a good day. Over to the participants. Hello?
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your fabulous presentation of this concept. Yes, sir.
Attend it. Any queries, anybody, let me know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Any queries, participants?
Is the time is okay, Professor?
இன்னொன்னு ஹோல் சைக்கிள் அப்படின்னா ஒரு சர்க்கியூட் பார்த்து வந்து இது அந்த மாடல்ல நான் கிளிக் பண்றேன், உங்களுக்கு போகுதான்னு பார்ப்போம். இது இல்ல, இது வந்து வேர்டுல இருக்கனால போக மாட்டேங்குது. இதே வேர்ல்டு வைட் வெப் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா இது போகும். ஓகேவா? அவ அடுத்து வந்து பார்த்தோம்னா இது வந்து இந்த அசைக்கிளிக் கிராஃபா இருக்கும். இது எதை ரெப்ரசென்ட் பண்ணுது அப்படின்னா, இட் ரெப்ரசென்ட்ஸ் தி ஃபேக்டரைசேஷன் ப்ராபபிலிட்டி, ஜாயிண்ட் எந்த நோடு எதோட ஜாயின் ஆகணும். சரியா? அந்த ஜாயிண்ட் ப்ராபபிலிட்டியை இது என்ன செய்யுது?
Hello, sir.
Tell me, Pa.
Sir, do you have how to implement blockchain in cloud? If there is any idea?
No, we can just, you are come across the programming, which programming language?
Which programming? I know, I want to know the concept.
No, concept basically, we can come across like thoroughly, just you go through the gloss. Did you come across simulators? Globosim?
Simply I know, sir. I don't know in depth.
Yeah. Please keep on touch with me. I'll tell you. Globosim, if you make use a concept of that one, is very easy to understandable. You can just go through the procedure of the Globosim. The concept.
Glomosi. What you say, sir? Glomosi.
Globosim.
It is a simulator software, sir.
Yeah, simulator software.
It is used for
cloud
blockchain.
computing. Yeah, cloud computing.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Pleasure. It's my pleasure.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Kindly, did you made this one record, Pa?
No, sir.
You are not recorded.
Which one, sir? This programmer, sir. This programmer, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes,
this
sir,
program
it
is
is
getting recording.
Yes,
please,
madam.
kindly.
Yes, madam. Yes,
No,
yes.
kindly
Yes.
recording flow of information kindly send to me, please.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Once
sir.
again, I'm
Thank
very
you.
thankful to all the respected participants and the esteemed university, Madurai Kamaraj University, and the respected organizer. And special thanks to Dr. Indrani Madam and Jairaj sir. Once
Thank
again,
you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Dear participants, the next session will be started around 2:30 by Anand Nair. The title is Industry 4.0. Please, all of you, I request all the participants to attend the conference. All the participants have to attend all the sessions so that only we can provide the certificate for all the 3 days. Thank you very much. Now we leave the session.
Okay, thank you very much, Professor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. I'll get back. I can also attend the talks now, Professor?
Sure, sir.
Okay,
With pleasure, sir.
Once again, personally, congratulations to you. Wish you good luck, Pa. Your future plan of action, please.
Thank you, sir.